Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop on really fast to tell you guys that I'm going to be live on Condi's Facebook page as well as their YouTube channel Wednesday, February 17th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. We are going to talk all about cell phone cases. So I'm going to sublimate some cell phone cases. We're going to talk about starting a small business and all of those things. So you guys do not want to miss this live webinar. Make sure you guys come over and follow Condi's YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so you guys know when I go live, and also on their Facebook page. So you guys can watch me live on both channels, whichever one you would like. If you come over to their Facebook page, make sure you guys hit the like and then scroll down to where you guys can see this post right here and let me know that you guys are going so I can see who all is coming. I'm super excited. Leave a comment here so I know, what do you guys want to see about these cell phone cases? Is there any questions that you have in particular you want me to answer? So definitely come check it out. I cannot wait. So make sure you guys come join. I'm super excited, and I will see you guys very soon.